What is one thing that can change your trading career upside down? That's what we are going to discuss today in the episode 18 of How to Become a Successful Trader from Market Secrets. So, what is the one thing that can change your trading career upside down? The answer is simple: knowing what you can control. It is human nature to want to control everything we can in our life. But in reality, there are only very few things that you can control. Same is true for trading. When it comes to trading, there are only a few things over which you have control. In fact, there are only four things in trading that you can control. Before you make a trade, you can control which stock to trade, how much quantity of the stock to trade, and where you enter. These are the three things that you can control before you make a trade. Likewise, after you make a trade, you can control where you can exit. That is the only thing that you can control after making a trade. That's it. You can make three decisions prior to making the trade, and you can make only one decision after you are in the trade. Once you take an entry into a trade, you cannot control whether it goes up or down any more than you can influence the weather. The trade, just like the weather, is going to do whatever it is going to do. You cannot control it. As a trader, you should do your research, take your position, and wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do. Sometimes the markets will move in your favor, sometimes it won't. You cannot control it. Only thing you can control at this point is where you exit. Knowing what you can control will help you to keep things in perspective and will help you to focus your attention and energy on what you can do to manage your risk. Like I mentioned earlier, once you are in a trade, you have only one decision over which you have direct control. So don't overcomplicate it. People will get nervous and their BP will shoot up the moment they get entry into a trade, and they scramble to do a lot of things nervously until they exit from that trade. But in reality, with just only one decision over which you have direct control after you are in a trade, which is where you exit, there is nothing to be nervous about. So you need to calm down and just focus on this one decision. The moment you realize this truth, you won't get nervous or anxious about your trades, and your trading will improve tremendously. So, the one thing that can change your trading career upside down is knowing what you can control. Once you realize there are only few things that you can control while trading, and if you focus all your energy and attention on these items that you can control, your trading will improve exponentially. Do you agree with me or you don't? Let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.